Good morning. So as we know, affirmative prayer is the foundation of Unity's beliefs. So I invite you to take a moment to acknowledge both the spoken and unspoken prayer request that you have. We have prayer intention slips available to place your prayer request down here in the prayer box. Once a prayer intention is made and placed in the prayer box, it is prayed over here for 30 days, and then it is sent to Silent Unity, where it is prayed over for another 30 days. So I invite you to breathe in your request, setting that intention now as you hold it in your heart. And at this time, I invite you to close your eyes, breathe in deeply, and relax as you settle comfortably into this space. Allow any extraneous thoughts to gently and easily move through your mind. Be mindful of your breath as you breathe in peace, love, and lightness, while exhaling any dense energies that no longer serve you in a positive, healthy, and balanced way. As you breathe in peace, exhale chaos. As you breathe in love, exhale fear. As you breathe in healing, exhale discomfort. As you breathe in ease, exhale uncertainty. Please recognize the tension and tightness being lifted from your physical body as you continue to breathe and appreciate these moments of soothing silence. Breathe in deeply once again as you exhale audibly while basking in the peace, love, and gratitude you feel in this moment. Now that you're feeling more centered and balanced, envision beautiful emerald green healing energy in the center of your chest and sense the healing and expansion that is occurring within you. At this time, let us set the intention to ground your energy by visualizing your legs as tree roots growing deep into the earth. Pure white light is flowing downwards into your crown, into your being, filling you with unconditional love, awareness, understanding, and wisdom. You are connected to the earth below, to the light above, and to the love that is within you and surrounds you. Know that you are love and you are loved. And so it is.